Hi guys, I'm officially back. I have been resurrected. I was extremely sick this past weekend, so I didn't film anything. So I'm just gonna start a whole new vlog. I'm gonna attach some of the old clips, but I really did not film much because I was not feeling well at all. Thankfully, I'm back to 100% today. Yesterday, I was pretty much there as well. So it's a nice day out too, and it's rather windy, but that's totally fine. I got a package. I can't show you the front because my address is on it, so that would be scary. I'm gonna open it with you guys, and then I'm just gonna continue the vlog. It's from L'Occitane. I need to look up how exactly to say that. I assume I'm saying it correctly, but it says, coming soon, something new in the almond family. Oh, your next everything shower routine bestie. So I would assume an exfoliant, cleansing and softening. Oh boy. Yes, almond shower cream, 100%. Oh, I need this. After I had folliculitis and like eczema last winter, no, I should say 2 winters ago now, technically, my legs, oh my gosh, I'm still like, it's still one of the things I'm a little self-conscious about, which is unfortunate, but I just have like kind of like little dark spots, scars everywhere on my legs, like everywhere, specifically on my thighs. I've just been continuing to exfoliate and it's helped a little bit. I've even gotten like a chemical peel, but they're just still there. I'm assuming it's gonna take a year or two for them to like completely be gone. I hope so, but I have been exfoliating and I will continue to use this. I'll give it a try, not continue, but I'll give it a try. Then I just went right into my morning routine, put that exfoliant away, added my lash serum. This is linked to my Amazon, you guys. It's amazing. Added some oil to my hair, and then I also wanted to give my face a little extra hydration. I have been so dry recently, like flaky dry, but I did that and then moisturized, and then it was so nice out already this morning, so I ended up getting some workout clothes on and taking a walk. This tank top, you guys, is literally my favorite. I want to say it's from Beyond Yoga. It is insane. Quality is amazing. And again, like I said, it was just so gorgeous out. I ended up taking a little under a 2-mile walk. I forgot to take a picture while I was outside of my watch, but you guys get it. Okay, it's 4:30 and I have about like 20-25 minutes before I should probably start thinking about dinner. In that time span, I want to do a little bit of a quick cleanup. I need to vacuum living room, kitchen, this space, and then I just want to kind of, I don't know, just clean up. So you guys will see what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some music on and then just get to it. Okay. Good job. Happy Friday. I'm gonna end today's video with a little bit of a Blackbough review. So they were kind enough to send me 3 bikinis and I am simply going to review them, try them on, show them off to you guys, give you my honest opinion, all that good stuff. Okay, first one we have is this blue and white print. It is kind of giving off like a winery theme. You have some grapevines and plants on it. I like it a lot. It's very cute. It's kind of Renaissance as well. I like the top. Blackbough has great quality, genuinely great quality. You actually get a swimsuit that is fair priced for what you're actually getting compared to the insane like $200, I should say, to the insane $100 bikinis, like $100 for one bottom. That's insane to me. But with Blackbough, you get a high quality swimsuit. Also very trendy pieces too. I really like them a lot. This has underwire and it's not uncomfortable at all. It fits me great. I got it in a large as well. You also get adjustable straps. You definitely just get a lot of extra details with Blackbough. I did my famous little trick. I switched the back to the front for a bit more coverage in the front and a bit less in the back. I just definitely prefer more coverage in the front. Obviously you can do whatever you want, but either way it is pretty cheeky. A little side view, it fits very nicely. It is high cut up top, so it gives you that more like hourglass shape. I like it a lot. It is definitely very flattering. Next up, I have to be honest, I have never been a fan of frills. They are just not very complimentary to my body shape, and they are also just very girly. Very, I don't know, just extra girly. I am very girly, but frills on the other hand, I'm just not that girly, I guess. But if this didn't have frills, I absolutely love it. Like this color, this very bright, vibrant peach is so pretty, and it has just some monogram flowers on it, colorful flowers on it. I love this color. So do the little frills. It has flowers, rosebuds, tulips, all that good stuff. And then the bottom as well is obviously the same. And again, I did my lovely little trick where I took the back to the front. Now these are very cheeky. I'd say these are all very cheeky for the most part, but then again, very flattering. And I honestly, the frills on the top are fine. I just don't like the bottoms. This is a very pretty cut to me, just like this U shape. It's not so deep. It's deep, but it's like a very elegant cut. I love this U shape. Straps are of course adjustable. Overall, I think this bikini looks nice, just not on me. I am just not a fan. Like I said, I love the color. I just don't love the frills. However, it's so tough to be upset at a bikini because the quality is so nice. Just this fabric is so good. The underwire, again, fits amazingly as well. I'm looking at the mirror and it's kind of growing on me, but I don't know if it'd ever be. Okay, maybe not. We'll see. Last but not least, we have another frill bikini. Now this one, I feel like I don't mind as much because maybe they just blend in so well, so it's not so obvious. Kind of looks just from far away that you get like a lot of texture where it is. Well, no, I shouldn't say that because it's still pretty obvious, but especially on the side. But again, I like this color and I like the style of it up close. It has more of this like 3D, like printed sewn on flower pattern. Again, very pretty. Just not a huge fan of the frills. Maybe I could, we're getting somewhere, hold on. Okay, honestly, it gives it way more like sporty vibe. I like that. Would I wear it like that? Probably not, because it would simply just fall out most likely. But again, with this U-cut, I find it very flattering. I should get a lot more like shirts or tank tops in this cut. The bottoms overall, like the swimsuit fits great. This is a large, this is an XL. Did the whole thing, switched it to the front. I like it a lot. Again, it's very cheeky. They are all very cheeky. They do have a bit more full coverage options, of course, and again, straps are adjustable. Everything is just very high quality with these swimsuits, which I definitely appreciate. And I do like this royal blue. It's very pretty.